At the time of problem, the small concepts will be included. Those will be understood or will be done. The heading can be given common, but the answer should be done individually. Now, standard time is 30, hourly rate is 25. These are the information we have extracted from the question. You may think that even though his income is more, if you take total income, it is less. No. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in session 2 of your topic called Cost Accounting. Under Cost Accounting, we are doing the chapter Labor. Your third chapter, it talks about labor. In your previous session as well as your session 1, we discussed about what is labor. Now, under labor, why we need Halsey plan as well as Rowan plan. Who are Halsey as well as Rowan? Why they have made or invented this kind of formulas, whether it is a benefited to laborers or not. Everything we have discussed in the previous session. Along with that, the formula for Halsey as well as Rowan, that also we have discussed. Along with that, the procedure to solve the problem, that also we have discussed. Now, in today's session, what we are going to do. In the agenda, you will get to know what we are going to do in today's session. The agenda will be very simple, the concepts as well as problems. Why it is always concepts comes under agenda? Why? Because at the time of problem, the small concepts will be included. Those will be understood or will be done in today's topic. Problem number 1. Directly we will go to problem number 1. In this we will understand how to do Halsey plan as well as Rowan plan. The first problem we will go slow. I'll go in depth. From the second problem onwards, we'll go little faster. Now, from the following information, calculate earning and earnings per hour. Now, first thing, normally whatever formula I have taught you, according to that or with the help of that formula, we will find out your Halsey plan as well as Rowan plan. Now, earning per hour under Halsey as well as Rowan. First we will complete Halsey, later we'll go for Rowan plan. Now, here we have X, Y as well as Z. Now, in this problem, we have to do Halsey plan for X, Halsey plan for Y, Halsey plan for Z. Similarly, Rowan plan for X, Rowan plan for Y and Rowan plan for Z. All three person, these are the person 1, person 2 as well as person 3. We have to do your calculation individually. But the heading can be given common, but the answer should be done individually. Now, these are the informations they have given. Now, person 1 who worked for 26 hours. Person 2, 24 hours. Person 3, he spent almost 20 hours. Now, standard time allowed for the job. So, they are assigned for certain job, like they were given some targets, like in so much of time or in this time, you are supposed to complete this much of production, or you have to produce some units within this certain time. Now, as per this, he has taken 26, 24 as well as 20 hours. But what was the standard time? Normally what happens, if it is a common person, or normally 30 hours it takes to complete the job. Now, what is the standard hour? Normally, if you go with the quality, quantity and everything, it takes almost 30 hours. Now, out of 30, he has taken 26. Out of 30, 24. Out of 30, he has taken 10. First person, he has saved almost 4 hours. So time was given. It is just like your examination. What is the standard time? 3 hours. You have completed in 2 hours. It is not that you have completed 2 hours, your marks will be less. No. Paper was easy, you done within 2 hours. You may get even 100 also. But what was the standard time for all? For everybody, up to they can sit in the examination hall up to 3 hours. They can complete in half an hour also. They can take up to 3 hours also. So 3 hours or 30 hours, we call it as a standard time. Now, he has saved 4 hours. Person 2 or B, he saved 6 hours. And the third person, he saved almost 10 hours. Now, these are the informations we available. Now, hourly rate is 25 now, and also along with that they have given a offer like how many hours you work per hour, you will get how much? 25 rupees per hour, you will be awarded 25. So you may think that, sir, he got 20 hours, he completed his work, so he will get how much? 20 multiplied with 25. He completed in 26. How much he will get? 26 multiplied by 25. Now, as per this, now you may think that he has taken less time, he will get less salary. Answer is no. Why? Because he has saved almost 10 hours. Out of 30, he took only how much? 20. Now, he saved 10 hours. For that 10 hours, he will get some benefit. So, everything we will calculate under Halsey plan as well as Rowan plan. Now, first we'll go for Halsey plan. Later, we'll move for Rowan plan. Now, as per Halsey plan, what is the formula? Now, your earnings you have, what is the formula here? The formula is time taken into hourly rate. Time taken into hourly rate plus half of the time saved into hourly rate. Whatever time saved, for that also he has paid. But whatever he has saved, in that half he will get. Because even though he has not worked, still he is getting half of the pay. Now, time taken. I'll go back to your previous slide. Now, time taken for the first person is how much? 26. Now, first person, he took 26. What is the rate per hour? It is 25. Hourly rate, it is nothing but rate per hour. Now, time saved as per our calculation, how much is saved? 30 minus 26. 30 minus 24. 30 minus 20. Now, he saved 4 hours. Half of the 4 is how much? Half of the 4 will be 2. 2 into 25. Or else you can multiply. Later you can divide. Now, 100, half will be 50. Yeah. Now, 100. So, 25 into 4, it comes 100. Now, half of the 100 is how much? 50. 650 plus 50, you got 700 as answer. Any doubt? No doubt. Similarly, X is done. Now, next one is what? Y. Now, under Y, how to calculate? Now, Y, it is easy to calculate. Again, I'll go back. He took 24 hours. Now, 24 multiplied with 25. Now, plus half of the time saved. How much he saved? He saved 6 hours. Now, 6 hours. So, how much you will get hourly rate? 25. Half of the 6? 3. So, multiply. Later only you can take off. Or else you can take 3 into 25. Whatever answer you will get? 75. 600 plus 75. Your answer is 675. Up to this, any doubt? These are the working notes. Will come later. Next will come for Z. How to calculate Z? Simple. As per this, Z has taken 20. He has saved 10 hours he has saved now. So almost 20 into 25, he got around 500. He got 500 now. 10 into 25. So how much hour is saved? He saved 10 hours. Half of the 10 hours is how much? It will be 5 hours. Now, 5 multiplied with 25, you will get around 125. But here what we have done, we multiplied, later we calculate half. Anything can be done. You got 125, add both, you will get 625. The first person got 700, second person got 675, third person got around 625. Now, these are the calculations we have for X. These are the calculations for X, Y as well as Z. Now, we have working note for this. So, what is the working note? We already calculated. Again, I'll come back. Like, we already did calculation here. How many hours is saved? But in your examination, presentation matters. Now, how to present to the examiner? So it is very simple. Your working note, it can be written below this or as beside also. Now, X 26, Y 24, Z 20. Standard time is 30, hourly rate is 25. These are the information we have extracted from the question. Now, time saved, whatever we have written, time saved 4, 6 and 10. How to find out time saved? Simple. Your standard time minus time taken. Standard time minus time taken. What is your standard time? 30. What is your time taken? 26. 30 minus 26, it is 4 hours. Similarly, 30 minus 24, 6. 30 minus 20, it is 10. These are the information we already calculated, but for your examination purpose, a proper presentation required. So these are the informations. Now, so these 4, 6, 10 only we have taken. 4, 6 as well as 10. Now, these are the wholesale plans we completed, but still we have. Why? Because earning and earning per hour also we have to find out. Now, whatever we have calculated, your earning is 700, 625, 675 and 625. Now, earning per hour. Now, you may think that, see, the person, see, these two, they have taken 26, 24. That's why per hour if we pay, you may think that, oh, he got 700, he got 675. He worked early and he was very smart, but he got only 625. Better will take more time and will get more revenue. No, the answer is wrong. Why? Because if you go for hourly rate, then you will get to know. Earning per hour, total earning divided by time taken. The first person, he got 700. 700 divided by 26, his earning per hour is almost 28. Now, second person, his income is 675. Now, I'll go back. 675 divided by, he has taken 24 hours. Your answer is how much? 28.13. Similarly, he has taken almost 20 hours. 625 he earned. 625 divided by 20. How much is work per hourly rate? He is getting 31. See, he finished quicker, so he is getting around 31 rupees per hour. He is getting only 28. He is getting only 27. Now, these are the informations we have for your wholesale plan. Remember, if you take less time, your income will be more. You may think that even though his income is more, if you take total income, it is less. No. If he completed in 20 hours, he can go for second job. Again, they are still working, but he is already gone for second job. So, his income will be more. Now, Note, if it is given just wholesale plan, it is a wholesale premium plan. So whatever we have done, there is only wholesale plan. In the question, they give you only wholesale plan. We call it as wholesale premium plan. If they give wholesale as well as your row one, then we call it only wholesale plan. Hope you understood. I'll go out of the screen. You can take a screenshot of wholesale plan. Later, we'll come for premium row one plan. So these are your problem number 1. We are supposed to calculate wholesale as well as row 1. So this is your wholesale plan, complete answer along with working notes. So this is your solution, means the second part. So wholesale plan we calculated is the hourly rate of wholesale plan. Now we'll come for your row 1 plan, the second person or the second formula. Now, what is the formula? Time taken into rate per hour or hourly rate. Time saved divided by standard time multiplied with time taken into hourly rate. How to remember? Simple. Time taken into hourly rate. Time taken into hourly rate. Same, both are same. Time saved, make it ulta. Standard time. TS, ST. It is easy. Yes, but you have to remember the symbol. I'll show you. Time taken into hourly rate. Same. Time taken into hourly rate. Same. Any doubt? No. 2 times you are supposed to write. Then time saved divided by, make it ulta, standard time. TS, ST. TS, ST. Now, symbol will be plus. Remember this symbol always comes what? Plus. Now, these are the informations you have now. As per this row 1 plan, total earning, time taken into hourly rate, total time saved divided by standard time, time taken into hourly rate. Now, what is the time taken by X 26? I'll go back to your question. As per the question, remember X 26, Y 24, Z 20. So, as per this 26, what is the hourly rate? 25. Now, if you calculate what is the time saved, the first person here saved 4 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours. First person here saved 4 hours. 4 by standard time is how much? 30. Same, whatever you have written, copy, paste. Same thing. 26 into 25. 26 into 25, 26 into 25. But we are supposed to take time saved divided by standard time. Now, first you multiply, then 4 by 30, whatever answer you will get, again you have to multiply. Now, if you multiply, you will get 650. Here also 650. 650 into 4 divided by 30. How to calculate? Take your calculator. 650 multiply with 4 divided by 30. You will get 86.67. Add both, it will be 736.67. Any doubt? No doubt. The first person will get 736.67. Now, second person, same calculation. He took 26, but he has taken how much? 24. What is the hourly rate? 25. What is time taken? 24. What is hourly rate? 25. Any doubt? No. How much time saved? Time saved, it comes around for him 6 hours. Now, so 6 hours divided by standard time is 30. First you multiply 24 plus into 25, 600, 600. 600 into 6 by 30, it will be 120 and 600. Your answer is 720. Any doubt up to this? No doubt. Hope you understood. Now, this is all about your calculation of total earning. Now, I'll go to the next one. Your solution part 2 or second one. Z. In this, what we have, the X and Y is done. We are doing Z. How many hours Z took? Z took 20 hours. We'll take 20 multiplied with 25. Multiply this. Again 20 multiplied with 25 again. What you will get? 500 and 500. What is the formula? 10 by 30. Multiply again. 500 into 10 by 30, you will get around 166.67. What is your answer? Your final answer, 666.67. In the wholesale plan, he was getting 625. The second person in wholesale plan, he got around 675. The first person, he was getting around 700 something. See. So these are the changes happens in wholesale and row 1. The company can opt for wholesale plan. The company can opt for row 1 plan also. It is left to them. But the amount or numbers will vary if you go for wholesale or else row 1. So now once you're done with your row 1 plan, what is next? The next part will be you are supposed to calculate the earning per hour. Earning per hour. Now how to calculate total earning divided by time taken? How? In this, your total earning, this one, I'll go back to this. Your total earning is how much? 736.67. 736.67 divided by 26 hours. Your answer is 28.33 per hour. The second person, what is your answer? He got around 720. Now, 720 divided by 24, he will get around 30 rupees per hour. The last person will get 33. Remember, the less hour you take to complete your job, your hourly rate will be higher. So, be the smart worker than hard worker, because he can complete earlier and his income will be more. Even though it is hourly rate, he will get more income, because whatever he saved the time compared to your standard time, he will be benefited. Now, this is all about your row 1 plan. I'll go back to all the slides of row 1 plan, because wholesale plan already you have taken screenshot. Row 1 plan, I'll show all the slides. You can take a screenshot. Now, this is your row 1 plan, the second part and the last part. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what is wholesale as well as what is row 1. Now, in the coming session, we'll do 2 or 3 more problems, little different than this. Almost 90% concept are same. Formula will not change only, but the small adjustment may come. We'll do that in the next session. Thank you.